Hey loves, I am back to do a plan with me and I'm super excited for you guys to be here with me watching me do my plan. My plans for next week. Next week is Valentine's Day, and it's weird this year I don't have a Valentine's Day person, which is okay. It's just weird. So I definitely want to do a more pretty and girly you know, Valentine's Day spread without it saying Valentine's Day spread. And I'm going to be using Planning Roses. This is the My Love Collection vertical kit, and I'm going to be using it in glossy. So yeah, let's get started. I really love this kit. It's super pretty. I think it's gorgeous. So I wanted to see Jenna's glossy kit versus the matte. So I got both of these. I got two kits, one matte, one glossy. So yeah. Let me see if I can come up to this area here. And I'm going to be pulling stickers in from, of course, my collection and so forth. So yeah. All right. So I'm going to start off with, I have no clue what I'm starting off with to tell you guys the truth. So I think I'm going to use from her matte kit. I don't know if I want to use that from her matte kit. Yeah, I do have some stickers that actually meet the colors. So I'm going to start placing my date covers down. So I am so happy to be doing Plan With Me's again. I planned last year all of January out. Like, no lie. I was like, I do not want to think about it. I want to already have it all planned out and ready to go. And I was going to start my health journey about, you know, just me losing weight and getting back to being happy about myself and all of that stuff. And then you're not gonna believe what the hell came when January 1st hit. I got sick with the flu, and I also had a nasal infection. Put my ass down for 2.5 weeks. When I tell you I thought I was dying, I'm not even joking. I literally thought I was going to die. Like, it was really bad. I'm not going to put down Saturday and Sunday because I have a weekend banner for that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that weekend banner. She has a really cute weekend banner. It's super cute. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it. Sorry if it looks crazy, but that's what it looks like. It's super cute. I really, really love it. I was, of course, freaking out. Because I went to the hospital going, okay, maybe it's nothing, no big deal. Maybe I just caught a little bug and move on. No, they were jam-packed with people who were sick with the same symptoms, and that freaked me out. And because it freaked me out, I freaked him out, and he came rushing here overnight from Cali to make sure I was okay. And I am grateful for that. I mean, that's a huge deal to me that he would do something like that. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put down this work sticker. And then I'm gonna, she has 6 hearts on here, but it's okay, I'll work with it. I'm gonna put this down as well. So I got the work one down. I don't know how to use a picture washi. Like, it would be incomplete to me if I saw it. If that makes any sense. Okay, so I got bills down. And I'm gonna use another washi. Where the hell did she go? Another skinny washi to separate bills. There we go, separate bills. I'm gonna use this long piece here. I guess it's washi. And I better get some scissors because I know this is about to go really wrong. So this is my seam box here. It's more of a focus box. And I don't want to mess it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ. This scares me so much. Did it. Damn it, yes. I fucking did it. Why the hell is that crooked? I don't even know. Come here. There we go. I have that there. So bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put something in the weekend box. And I'm gonna put this Tranquil place. Please don't send me a text message job. I don't care. Okay, so that's that one. And then I want the sand beach one. And bam. So that's that. That's the Tranquil. What? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put with the corresponding color, the color that goes on top. I feel like I know what text message that is, but nah. All right, so that's that. Okay, so that's that. Then I have this week. And then with this week, I'm gonna have this pink go into that. Now it's time for all the little icons and stuff, so use this exercise dumbbell right here. Put my weight in there. Okay guys, I found the Happy Valentine's Day in gold because I was about to say, like, how do you not have Happy Valentine's Day? Like, yo. So I'm going to put it right above Wednesday, but not on Wednesday. Other than that, that was it. My date's in, very small, not too big. And if I have any pictures that might happen along the way, then I will definitely put that down. But other than that, this is my spread, and I hope you guys like it. Hopefully this video comes out clear, because I don't know about my setup. The sun is going down. It's already bad enough that I'm still filming. And hopefully you guys love this, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye guys.